How are you doing so far? My day is good. My day is good. How are you? Raimunda Alice. Sound is different. Abibia Pinho Maru De repente embora. Ivan also the one. Get built up the Benji. Get built up the Benji. Ayo, Ivana. Kunigunde, kunigunde. Kunigunde, kunigunde. Avisi Raimuda. Ivana Dralini. Yeah. Raimuda. Ayo. Ayaba. Kunigunde Jamboma. Ayo kunigunde. Kunigunde Jamboma. Raimund Adatia Kuni Samata Ayo Raimunda Lady Babo Salwa Kunigunde, how are you guys? My name is Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda, guys. Thank you so much, Lucas Mosere. Also in the vibe, guys. Remember to subscribe on YouTube. It's Makamugenda, and also there's a super chat. You can tip through super chat. You can donate through super chat, and also there's you can join the club, and also if you are willing, you can tip through PayPal or Western or M-Pesa. Let's continue the vibe, guys. My name is Makamugenda. I really happy I see you. Kunigunde. When I close, sound is very low. I watch on YouTube. Yeah, also if you like, it's upon you to decide what to do. Lucy look tired today. No, I'm not tired. Just today I just want to play slow songs. I don't want Ungiro. Have you seen Kunigunde? Have you seen Kunigunde? Thank you so much, Ivana. Miss Makania. Ivana Raimunda Alicia Ivana Sampai Bama Ivana Samantha Nalongulale Ivana Jangu Laitoria Daniela Daniela Payne, Daniela Payne. I'm fine, my guy. Ivana, Ivana Lele, Ivan Lumbo. Lumbo, friend. Yeah, Lumbo, friend. Gogio. Where's Ivana? Where's Ivana? Where's Ivana? I don't see Ivana. I see Survivor. Hapo Zawa. Survivor man, how are you? Samantha message react. Alice, what are you want to say? What do you want to say? Let me see aeroplane. Aeroplane is passing. Please, I'm looking at aeroplane. Please, just 1 minute. I was looking at aeroplane, but it's now gone. I don't know the aeroplane where it's going, but fine, no worry. Raffles on the vibe. Keep on watching. My name is Makamugenda. Have you seen Samantha? Wamimbios on the bar. Toriskia. Doriskai. Doriskai. Daniel. Doriskai. Doriskai. Doriskai la. Doris Kyla. I don't know if you're watching. Nyakwaganda progress noma sana. I see Nyakwaganda usoro watching. When you're not out, you know she was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Her father was a devil man. Her father was a devil man. Father was a devil man. Her mother was a proud woman. Yeah. I see joy. I see money was watching her. And go. Are you dancing winter? Are you jamming harava? Are you jamming winter? I'm in a winter, I'm Regino Solomon. Oh, Windaya, Windaya, Windaya. Have you seen my guy? Losing Maya. Avatitia los on fire. Remember it's Makamugenda. Regina also the fire. You see Lucy also on the mic. West Coast. Have you seen Papaya? Kochi Wanda. Vietnamese. Let me call a yango yap, hidden pulse, so silva. I chile, Brazil, thank you so much, Rita. Thank you so much, everyone who's watching. I've seen what go. Are you dancing? Can you dance? Prayer revival, can you dance? Oh my goodness. If you like the vibe, guys, please clap your hand. Ultra MC, Ultras and the vibe. Miss Makamugenda. I really appreciate your time, everyone who's watching. Is playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument, limos of the vibe. And also remember, Mike, hey, Mike, long time, bro. Mike. Where's the bada? Mike, I wanna see the bada. For real. I just want to see the bada. I just want to see the bada, son. Thank you so much, Lucky Sasha. Lucky Sasha, where are you watching from? Mike, where have you gone, bro? Your boys is also on the vibe. Thank you so much, guys. Miss Makamugenda, for those who are watching. Yeah, the sea. Lawrence, come on. How are you, my brother? Rosanna. Yeah. Imani. Nico, Nikos on the vibe. Aye, Modric on the vibe. Have you seen Lucky Sasha on the vibe? Michael, where are you? Sunshine, my Motrico sucks. Let me give you my story from my home. Let me give you my story. Sasha, let me give you my story. Born in Uboro, born in Zion, I am Balu. King Ching, Chick Jack Gang. School of Work Designing. Awesome. Thank you so much, School of Work Designing. My name is Makamugenda. I am happy to see you watching. Subscribe, like, and also there's a super chat if you like the vibe. You're gonna, hey, Ash. Hey, I don't know how to read that one. Thank you so much for the rose. Ashingasi. Boy. On that day, that one I don't know how to read. Our English teacher was not there. Design people, what do they design to do? Love see people do what they were designed to do. School, let me play one song for School of Work and Design. Yeah. Where's that school? Jingling boy. I've been School of Work and Design. Michael, where's the border? Where's the border? I am my God. I wanna sing. Lloyd Department. I wanna sing. School of Work and Design. My from Zambia. I've been School of Work and Design. Can you come along? Hey, my good. Joanna Manuela. Dima Bedit. Arizona. Oh, Dim. Damu petit restaurant. Bendo. I've been in School of What can I? No shit. Have you seen that? Yes, School of Work and Design. Are you ready to go to School of Work and Design? What do ya? What do ya? It's on yala. Jaya Malu. Jaya Malu. Ha ha. School of Wakanados on the line. I believe. Have you seen Wunyala, the son of Nyala? The son of Nyala, Romayo Sudava. Wabiro, Wabiro, Wabiro. Are you dancing? Full of work and desire. Are you dancing? I Madu, where you? Madu, Madu. Madu, Madu. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you like the vibe, please clap. Kamu also the vibe, Caro. Caro, Caro. So when I'm playing with the band, I just, that one can go. So if I get the bass guitar, will go. The drumist will play. Tiki 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 tiki. Thank you so much, for joining my Makamugenda. If you like the vibe, also remember subscribe on YouTube. It's Makamugenda. Makam playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. It is a low instrument. And also remember subscribe. Also, if you like the vibe, guys, just you can tip through PayPal or M-Pesa, my guy. Golden House, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing, Golden House? I'm fine, thank you so much. Also remember, there's a super chat on YouTube. Wanna dance, ayo. Walking class, Aromungo, ayo. Mr. Walking class, Aromungo. Bavaro kai narugo binona richo bobu dedo richo lena binona ayo binona a golden house, a golden Richo on the line. Richo. Have you seen Richo? Have you Amigo Arizona. Aye, vamos. Amigo Arizona. Cinco Junior. Yankee Junior. Bichoda. Bichoda. Bichodale. Bichodale. Ha ha. Inonada. Ogeta Patrico. Ogeta Lugi. Ogeta Lugi. If you see Ogeta, say ha. Ha ha. Ayo fly. Inonada. Inonada. Oh da. Ha ha. I survive Goldena. Can you dance with another? Kokomila, Kokomila Bane. Good morning, Ha ha. No na lie, alongi male. Ha ha. Digi digi digi, Sikai. Alalanteva. Ahí llegó, Coco Mila, Coco Mila, ay yawa my Mila, my Mila, ay my Mila, Coco Mila, yeah, Golden House, where are you? Onarende, ajay. Maenduana kata kajna ya I was in kajna time na 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 alinda Mr. Wagengla. Hi Lucy Maya, you say by the time I was starting you say Maka, today you are sick. I'm not sick. If you like the vibe, guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Makamugenda. Also, if you're willing, you can tip through PayPal or there's a super chat also on YouTube, guys. If you are willing, not sick, tired. I'm not tired, one. I'm not tired. Sometimes I just take time. I'm take time watching how the vibe is, guys. Sometimes it's good to watch. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. My name is Makamugenda. I see just that Drian on the vibe. Golden House. I wanna play one song to Golden House. I wanna play one song to Golden House. The hardest work man on. MC Odindo. A celebrity chef. Remember the instrument is called nyatiti. ICHO. Goldie, where are you now? Goldie, where's Golden House song? This man in the Bemble, Damova, ya Bemble, money, money, mama Bemble, Jamo. Where are you, Golden House? I wanna talk to Golden House. Where are you, Golden House? I don't see Golden House. I don't see you. Jacob also in the vibe. Keep on watching Jai. This is Makamugenda, guys. My name is Maka. If you're beautiful ladies, just call me my Maka. Oh, T. Vicini Chemo. Joy. Phonics, yeah. Cocomila. I am a guy. Costumare. Let's riga. Sugar, adulting also the man. Avisita soña. What a lego jay. Onika. Antonio. Guys, thank you so much. 1 minute. Nyatiti jirani. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching. Love the music. That's called Makamugenda. Subscribe on Antonio also in the vibe. Lost of the kid. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, JB. LFG. Munda Bishop Bata. Daniel also the white corner. How are you, Badai? What a Lego JJ! What a penny! Batale. Have you seen Butter guy? I see Strike also watching on YouTube. Alicia. I will visit but the score. BK have you seen Tima? Have you seen yes? So Baba. Batas komi kan you dance will be bad. Ayo. Batas komi kan you dance will be bad. Ayo. Gari, gari, badagari, dimogari, dancing. What you do? Sometimes my guy, when I see I got ready. When I see Bishop back, shake your spear. Artist, shake your spear also the man. Can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah. Dancing, dancing, shake your spear down. Can you catch? Can you catch? Lurio. Shake your spear, shake your spear. But I've seen we show bata. Bata, shake your spear, shake your spear. African, it's Makamugenda. Martin, shake your spear. Get to shake your spear. Lucifer, Aziza, shake your spear. Shake your spear. Aziza. Beninene, Coco Party, Beninene, Timia, shake your beer, shake your beer, shake your beer, shake your Thank you so much, Coco Mila. Shake your spear. Thank you so much. I see Jesus on the vibe. Coco Mila, Coco Party. Hey, today this send some love from Texas. Thank you so much. If you like the vibe, guys, subscribe on YouTube. Also, you can donate something on this one is called Super Chat. Yeah. And also, if you like the vibe, you can tip through PayPal. Demonstrate the instrument. The instrument is called nyatiti, my brother. Nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. Nur. I want to play one song to Nur right now. Nur here. Are you ready, Nur? Nur here. Have you seen butter? Samson, I'm from Kenya. Have you seen my guy Tim? Have you seen Tim, my guy? Shake your spear, sing to no. Shake your spear. It's the time when I shake it to no. I gonna shake it to no. We gonna shake your hours. What ya? Jama, Riziki Jai on the bar. Riziki dance, shake your spear. Riziki dance. Jamo, jamo, jamo. Yawa tumugore, majara. Yawa tumugore. What ya? Kinale. Riziki banga, Riziki shika, Riziki banga, Riziki shake your bumbo. Hero tumugoro tumugoro dala, Hero tumugoro tumugoro dala. Ha ha, where's Nora? Ayo, I had to go, I had to go, I had to go, I had to go, I had to go again, I had to go, I had to go back, I had to go. What did you? Ziggy, Nyota, Zambararu. Hello, Nyota Zambararu. Hello, Nyota Zambararu. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Guys, let me land bundles, guys. My bundle is gone now. Let me land bundles, yeah. Let's say Kore, don't worry, be here. Be here. Oh, wow. Let's continue the vibe. Anuelos on the vine. Ari. Bobo Kima. I wanna vibe with the team. Oh, Jimo. I wake up in the morning, team, Jonet Nonga. Timu ganijanga, timu ganage, timu. Jamu yawa wono jamu, yawa wono jamu. Madame yawa, oh sogo domo, sogo dogo. Timu yawa, madame milo goro tumagane, madame tumi goro tunjodanga, toma tungebek, Evening, good evening, madam. I'm really happy to see you. If you like the vibe, do this. If you like the vibe, do this. Thank you so much, my people. You have to say, you have to send some emoji of clapping stars. Hey, team, where are you watching from? I'm from Kenya, guys. My name is Makamugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo instrument from western part of Kenya, guys. That's the origin of the instrument you have been enjoying. If you like the vibe, guys, also remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and also there's a super chat. If you like, you can keep through super sad. It's called super chat or super chat. Hey, oh man, this time, hey, top dollar, oh man. How are you? How is it here? Height. That's fine. Thank you so much, guys. Let me play for you one song, and that's the end of my session today. You know, I have another show. My people. I have another show in the hotel. Stand around instruments. Arguing. What are you saying? Roots and beats also in the vibe. That's reggae. Reggae time. Thank you so much, team. Edward, how are you, Edward? Become a new dog, diggy. Mubembe OG. Gonna go sas. Gonna go sasia. No go ba. No go. Ha ha. Fabia. The dawn. Ha ha. I've seen Fabia. Some people from America, some people from Poland, some people from Germany, some people from Australia, some people from Haiti, some people from UK, some people from America. I was one to God to Eliza, free and Ebuimba hiyo ngoma yangu Tony Manea. Thank you so much, my guys team. It's just a vibe, guys. Remember, it's just a vibe. Tony, which song are you asking? Tony, are you Tony Nyadinoko? Say Tony Manea. Jesse, thank you so much. Kim, I don't know how to appreciate you. Respect, man. Very talented. Thank you so much, Fabiana. If you like the vibe, guys, also you can do something in super sad. Omera uliama Tony. Hi guys, my time is now. Calabrão se vai. Menina Have you seen song? Menina waga waga. Smoky detector. Menina waga waga. Color. Right best living. If I say you come and want to dance with me, to dance with me, to dance with me. Hey! If I say so to dance, Fabiano, I got it busy. Dima, ha ha. Buddha Binata Dragon also the man. Where is Christ? Imani, 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 yeah, Imani, long time Imani. Where have you been? Can you tell me? I want to know now. Before the bungalow, yeah, what's more bungalow? I'm happy to see you guys, man. Imani, thank you so much for joining. How are you, Imani? Christ Space. Team, where are you? Which number you asking? I'll give you which number. Tell me that number, I wanna know. Tell me. Oh, Christ, Christ, yeah, are you? What's up, Algie? You want my WhatsApp number? Take now. Take now. Take now. Take now. Take now. Take now. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for writing that number? Are you ready to take the WhatsApp number? This Algie. Algie. I don't know. Algie. Are you ready? I'm almost going. Are you ready to check the number? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Okay. Which country are you from first? Okay, let me start with my code. Code is +254. +254. +254. 720 15 9271. +254 720 15 9271. That's my WhatsApp number. +254 720 15 9271. That's audio bond. Nango baba quite. Yeah, you got it. I think now I can leave. Algie, my name is Maka, just Maka. I'm from Kenya. Yeah, tell me what you wanna what you wanna say on WhatsApp. For now, guys, I have to leave because I have another show. I was just jamming with you guys. I think you enjoyed the vibe. Thank you so much. Now you can do something in my super chat also. If you like the vibe also, you can kill me with something on my PayPal. Have a good day. Thank you so much, team. Respect, bro. Until tomorrow, do you have a husband? Do you have a husband? Me have a husband? Hey, how can I have a husband? Which question is that? Verses. Verses. Which question are you asking me? If I have a husband, are you gay? Verses. Yeah. Verses. Ask me, how can you ask a man like me that? You have a husband. Wife. I will call you when it's best time. Just text me on WhatsApp. But versus, I'm a man. I'm a man, bro, with muscles. I'm a man with verse. Thank you so much, guys. That's the end of my streaming. I have to leave now. I have to start. Versus, where are you watching from? First of all, I want to know your country. Idrissa. Hello, Chris Troso. Kasongo, Nangai. Stress. It's not me. I am a man. No, Vesres is the one who asked if I have a husband. Yeah. How can a man have a husband? Each question is that one. How can a man have a husband? Yeah, that's question. Even Lucy Maya. That question is more than serious. That one now is more than serious. We have to appeal. Have a nice time. Thank you. Good night. Cheer. English era, man.